Your iPhone has hidden emergency features that could literally save your life, and most people never set them up until it's too late. One can call for help after a serious crash, another can automatically share your location if something goes wrong, and the third can show first responders your medical information even if they can't unlock your phone. Welcome back to the Fix Desk. Let's fix it. First up is medical ID, and honestly, this might be the most important feature on your entire iPhone. If you're unconscious or unable to respond, first responders can still access critical information directly from your lock screen. Things like your name, age, emergency contacts, allergies, medications, and even your blood type. And yes, this works even when your iPhone is locked. Here's how to set it up. Go into your Health app, and you'll see your profile icon at the top right corner. Go ahead and tap that. And here you're going to tap on Medical ID. At the top, you'll see two options: show when locked, and this gives the first responders or doctors the ability to see this information even when your phone's locked. You also have the option to turn on shared in emergency calls. So if you have to call 911, for example, they can have your medical information. But you have your name, if you're pregnant, medications, allergies, emergency contact, and you can tap on this information and edit it and fill it out. So, for example, if you have an allergy that you want to add, you can tap on add to the allergies. We're going to just type in peanuts and hit the check mark to save it. And this, once you have all the information filled out, first responders will be able to see anything with your medical ID that they may need to know. The second feature is called crash detection. If your iPhone detects a severe car crash and you don't respond, it can automatically call emergency services for you. It can also notify your emergency contacts with your location. It's an amazing feature. So what we're going to do to set it up is grab your iPhone and you're going to go into your settings. Once you're here, you're going to scroll down and look for emergency SOS. You'll simply tap on that. And you're going to look for crash detection, and you want to make sure that this is slid over to green and that it's enabled. It works on iPhone models 14 and later. It also works with Apple Watches Series 8 and later. Hopefully you never need it, but if you ever do, you'll be very glad that this is enabled. The third feature is called check-in, and a lot of people have never even heard of it. This lets your iPhone automatically notify someone if you don't arrive to a location safely. For example, let's say you're walking to your car at night, meeting someone from Facebook Marketplace, going on a road trip, or traveling alone. You choose a trusted contact, and if you don't arrive at that location on time, your iPhone can share your location, battery level, and other things with them. What you'll do to make sure you have this turned on is grab your iPhone and go into your messages. From here, you'll choose whatever contact that you'd like to share it with and hit the plus icon. You're going to choose, we'll scroll down and look for check-in, and you're going to select it. Here you can see it's going to let you know, let your friends know when you arrive, so we'll hit continue. Your iPhone will keep progress. If you aren't making progress towards your destination, you're going to be prompted. You need to respond to that. So say, for example, road work or something delays you. It's thought about that, so you'll need to respond to the prompt that you get, but go ahead and hit continue. And here you see you can share two different types of data with this person. You can share limited data or full data, and we can hit show example here to get an idea of what it's going to show. So if we choose limited, it's going to show your general location, when your iPhone was last online, things like that, last unlocked, or you can choose full, which actually shows your route that you've taken as well. So I would recommend choosing full and then hit continue. And you see here that they'll be notified once you send the check-in, when you arrive at your destination. Also, if you're delayed, right, we get stuck in road work, you're going to be notified. But then you just hit continue, and this will send that information to that trusted contact so that they can be notified in case you don't arrive to your location safely. These are the kinds of features you hope you never need, but they can make a real difference when seconds matter. If this video helped you, give us a like and subscribe to the Fix Desk for more simple solutions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.